beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, you get one video when I put, I not really translate for the video where it be say for one guy for France where they call the beat, where court people call the beat to my darling people. So as they call they beat the boy, so they call they use a different weapon till they beat the boy. So my darling people, now mommy you can talk say I beg anybody will see the video YouTube not too like have to put inside. If not, I for put the video, But in case of una whenever see the video, if una need them, una fit still come add me for WhatsApp, then I will give una the video. So my ogbonge people, so mommy Yore can't talk. You can say I beg anybody will see this guy, will see these people, make they call police for them. It not good for our boys to they do court for Europe. So mommy Yore can't they talk. I can't the thing can't really surprise me, my darling people. So when I listen, the guy don't finally call mommy Yore for live video. So mommy Yore now come they ask the boy now say, why you go they do court? Now court you can't do for Europe. When I listen.
I court in Nigeria.
I want to start for the starting.
Court where you were able to do. What can work at court?
I court in Nigeria.
Then mommy Yore they ask us, now court you can't do for Europe. He said no. He said he be not the do am. He said that somebody will know him. They just bust the door, come meet her for his house.
Police station.
Mommy Yore say, person red fair day with if I day your hand. I know what to be red now. I don't want to talk for a side game. I don't want to talk for English because of YouTube. So he say whether if the boy don't do that kind of thing, if me person before the boy say no, he never met anybody before.
So he no ba na khina. A private no ba me wa na khina. Area police station mo video ni lelegbe. Wa say wa go area ya we 20.
Mommy Yore say make the boy carry that video go police station and na truth. Make he carry and go police station. Make he carry that video follow body. You go see what the police go do these people.
Eti megbe na akhianu ya tami ya wo hamowe. Opportunity na hina ya wa save life iwe. Iya mo wa nari ebenu.
Okay.
Mommy Yore say make the boy go report for police station. He say opportunity na be this one. He say they go even give the boy documents. They go even give a house because they will come they guide them.
Ego amuwe. Ama egbo wuwu je Nigeria. Wa no Nigeria. I bet we left for our worry.
Nigeria.
Iya gbera wa Nigeria.
He say, Mommy Yore say, make you just go report. Say, but I don't go Nigeria again. Say, what even did the Nigeria self? Now the boy said not true to the even meme papa to this same court people. Now wow. He said before you come up for house for Nigeria, they be almost kill himself. Now God that he save him.
Because that's what I dread you. I don't need to dread you. I'm the mad woman. I when you get to it. And I'm okay. You know, we level, we're going to 200 around the Nigerian money. I will love, we're going to have we must get to them. The money is in your soul.
He said before you come up for Nigeria now, God now is saving. They almost meme him. He said one woman can't tell us, may he go bab he dread. This dread way in the carry, may he go bab him. The woman can't give him 200 naira be euro, I don't know.
Oh, you not there any eagerly, you know, about this. I know you will die of Kuna in Maui. Menari over me iso wana ason redere ason. Na yo de level we wana wa gbeku. You wa gbeku ya we police yan so. E wana kieku. Ega na iri me stroke yan mo stroke ko eri me ne obo we.
Gba be mi de court si. Okay, that be not be when not the back court we do what's here? What's huh? What's here? No not the back court.
Mama, ima pede that court mama e force no ni akele ya.
Why are you police station now? Where?
Now, mom, you already tell and say why you go to do that kind of thing. Call people, e no good. More not they join all those things again. Now you say not be fault. Say, na force that they even put it for the thing, you know, because this no, because all those things is no good. I don't know why our people go just wake up in the morning say na court, then they want go they join. You always say make it go police station, make it go report itself for there. Say see what this people do to her. Say if you read them, make tell them say she na his sister.
But to where we work, mama, you did not buy many dear manaka, understand. Why are you police? Baba, na a video not to come away. Why are you? Oh, you know who? Who when I may go board to here? We are making that abransin way.
Oh, Bada,
I hear now, we're here.
Mommy, you always say make it go police station. Say if you go, make it do say and they pay. And I say even if body not they okay. And they read the pain. They beat and well now for the video now. They beat and well.
Uni ya boy sa gereni ewa. Wagu.
But it's already
vieille les barrières police station. Oh, when nous me paying, il y a wa happy way.
Mommy, you always say make you carry any cloth we know say they take beat and way stain with all those this thing. So he say he don't know, he don't go wash the cloth. Then mommy always say if you not wash am, then he say he still get another one again. So make you just go there and that one go be the best because how can somebody go just come out for Nigeria? You go say na court, what can they do for Europe? My people, what do you think about this video? These people, they okay. They send you come Europe, but you can't find money. You come Europe, you can't begin to form all those nonsense things for Europe. My darling people, things they this world, oh. Things really they this world, Like seriously.
Hey, oh mommy, this is France. In France, you just gonna be a guamaku. My video ni le no banenia. Every good time, I will walk mama. I hear that say, yeah, no, what was soon, waiting away here again. I picture my video only 1 year. Yeah,